Hi math friends, I'm Mrs. Dot. And this is my robot. Get ready to roll a die and exercise with us. Get your eyes and body ready. The first number that we roll 3 times wins. We'll keep count of how many we roll on this chart. Let's go.
5. Put your arms up. 1. Clap your hands. 3. Do the floss. 1. Clap your hands. 2. Kick your legs out. 3. Do the floss. 6. Dance the salsa. 2. Kick your legs out. 4. Drop and do a push-up. 1. Clap your hands.
Job well done. We've rolled 3 of the number 1. Try another round.